Welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install and configure Zoiper with your Vicidial. So first of all, we have to download the Zoiper file. So just go to the Google, then type Zoiper file, and you can see the official website. Click over here, then you can click on the download section. Scroll down, you can find the operating system versions like for Windows, Mac and Linux. You can also download it for iOS and Android. So let's download. You can see you can purchase the premium version also, or you can order a custom. I'm going to download this free version. It has some basic functionality, but if you're purchasing the premium version, you will find some other option also. As you can see, better quality and lower bandwidth, business feature, transfer and conferring, your design, your feature set, locked active service, branded with your name and logo, balanced display. You can see all these things over here. And with the free version, you can only receive the basic functionality. So just download this. It will take 4 seconds. After that, it will start the downloading. Okay, as you can see, the file is started downloading, but I have already downloaded this, so I'm going to cancel it. Now this is the file, so let's open this file. Okay, so the file is now open. So we have to press next, then we have to select the terms and agreements. Next, if you want to add a desktop shortcut, you can select this one. Then next, this is the installation directory. In this C drive, under the program files, the Zoiper software is going to install. So next, you can put any specific name if you want to be added, but I am going to left it as it is. So next, you have to select the system. The Zoiper will automatically detect your system version, but if you want to manually detect it, you can select if you have 32-bit version, if you have 64-bit version. Then next, this is specify that you want to be available this software to all user in your system or the current user only. Next, and now it started installing. This is a very good software to use. Okay, it's now creating the installer. Installer is created. Now finish. Okay, so as you can see, the shortcut is now added over here. So let's open this file. Okay, when you open this file, it's saying that this is the free version. You are running Zoiper 5 Community Edition, free for non-commercial use. You can activate your pro license over here, or you can know about more about their pro. I am going to click. I'm going to click on the free user. Okay, now it's asking me for the phone details. So let me open my Vicidial. Okay, going to admin. Okay, now admin and phones. I'm going to create a new phone over here. So let's give the phone ID to 1000. Okay. Okay, you can put the agent screen login over here, login password and registration password for the phone. This is the password for your agents when they are going to log in on the agent panel, and this is for the phone registration. And submit. Okay, the phone is currently added now. It will take about a minute to reload the asterisk, but anyways, I'm going to try over here. So the setting will be like this. First, you have to put the phone number that I just recently created. After that, put @ and your dialer IP address. This one, it's 192.168.1.101. So 101. Okay, and the password of this phone, this password, registration password, you have to put it over here like this. Now click next. I'm going to skip this one. This is very important. It need to be find the UDP protocol. As you can see, the SIP UDP protocol is found. Then you can do the next. If it's not coming, this green found option, then there is something issue. Your system or maybe on the firewall something is getting blocked by the firewall, so you have to check this SIP UDP port is open. So next, now you can do the configuration of your speaker and mic. I don't want to do this, so skip. Now as you can see, the Zoiper is configured properly, and you can see this green tick sign over here. So that's all for today. If you find this video any helpful, please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you. I'm going to see you in the next video.